The 228i is a great car, but if you look all around it, there is one thing that is not tasteful. And with that, I'm going to address it. If you look around it, you see there is this chrome finish on the door trims, and that's bothering me a lot. I am going to address that. I'm going to break out all this trim as much as I can. Let's get started. All right, to do that, I'm going to use this wrap and some tools. Great, now that I have all this side covered, it's time to trim it nicely and very carefully not to damage the paint. This is the most important part. Want to make sure you don't damage the paint. So you'll see I'll try to cut it as if I'm cutting the trim. I'm going toward the trim instead of toward that side. So well, so making some progress. So I was able to do all this side, looking pretty neat all the way through, looking good. So the next is to do this side here. Now it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge because I need just one that will go all the way from here to there and without cutting it off. So this is going to be a very interesting piece.